All right, traders, let's take a look and see how did the volume indicator perform in today's trading session. Let's get right into it. Quick time and temperature check, guys. Today is Tuesday, October 31st. Happy Tuesday, happy Halloween. You can see here it's a little bit after 12:30 p.m. in the afternoon. Just wrapped up my trading, and I wanted to send you a quick video recap on how we performed today. Now, I'm starting to fall back in love with the S&P 500, all right? Those of you guys that have been with me for a while, or if you've been following the channel for a while, you know that my favorite symbol is hands down the NASDAQ. And I love the NASDAQ because number one, you can trade it on any asset class, all right? It works on Forex, on futures and stocks and options. The volume indicator is just spectacular on the NAS. But I'm also starting to notice that this volume indicator, which is this green and red color band that you guys see overlaid on the chart, all right? It's also very effective on the S&P 500, and I've never really liked the S&P 500. I've always felt it's too slow for me personally. Okay, granted, a lot of my customers and clients do love trading the S&P on my volume indicator, and those people are doing extremely well, but I do think it's a matter of personal preference, right? I look at trading as we shouldn't try to fall in love with any one particular symbol. You understand? Like, we as traders, we're greedy savages. We want to go to where the action is, and more importantly, we want to go to where the profit is. And so while I respect that all of you guys and gals out there have your favorite symbols that you love trading every day, I feel that the symbol really shouldn't matter, right? As long as we can make money by looking for very high probability trading setups every day, then we're going to do very well. Now, case in point, guys, let's get into it, all right? So let's take a look at the incredible trading setup that showed up bright and early this morning. Now, before I showcase this perfect trade, okay, I actually want to show you the overnight session, man. I mean, just check out how powerful volume can be, man. Like, isn't this beautiful? You understand what I'm saying? Like, doesn't a trading indicator and a trading system that visually presents the signals to you like this, doesn't this look 1,000 times better than this garbage and this nonsense over here, right? I love just putting a strike through these candlestick charts and these Bollinger Bands and whatever nonsense is on the bottom, because I know that the traders who are trading, especially in a day like today, okay, these people that are trading their candlesticks, they got destroyed today. They've been getting destroyed the whole year, right? And they're probably never going to make any progress with their trading, probably because they don't take trading seriously. Now, the reason I love my people, my customers and clients, is because I do get a sense that the people that I personally take on do take trading seriously. All right, and that's why it's a pleasure to deal with those types of traders. Anyway, I just wanted to show you a quick overnight glimpse of what happened. I mean, it was crazy, man. The S&P plunges for like 200 ticks. It then rallies for like 200 ticks. All right. Anyway, so this is the setup that took place in the morning. You guys have heard me say the morning session is the best time to trade, and here's why. It's because the signals are so clean. Okay, so let me set this up for you, all right? Let me show you the anatomy of what a high probability trade, and more importantly, a profitable trade looks like. Number one, folks, we wait for a signal. What is a signal? It's simply the color change on the volume indicator. All right, you can see here it turned from green into red at this exact moment in time, but this is not where we go short. Instead, we're looking for two additional things to be true. Number one, we got to get a quick downward flush. This tells us that the move is real and that the sellers are in control. But then, more importantly, we gotta get that retracement, guys and gals. We gotta see the market pull back, pull back, pull back, and kaboom! Give us one of these. All right. This is a red reversal bar that prints directly on top of the color band. All right. It's gotta be on top of the volume color band, and this bar is above the band. All right, that's what makes this bar right here a perfect retracement setup. And so, yeah, I look to go short on the open of the next bar. My stop loss gets placed 1 or 2 ticks or pips above this signal bar's high. And you guys know the profit grid, right? I just simply draw out my profit grid. It's so simple, guys and gals. And you can look for any risk reward parameter that your heart desires. I like 1-to-1 because that allows me to lock in profits immediately. But if you're a greedy savage, there is nothing stopping you from milking this trend all the way down by just trailing your stop loss, right? You could trail reversal bars, you could trail the color band even, right? But at the end of the day, guys and gals, my mission is simple. I want to prove to everybody out there, whatever you trade, whether you trade Forex or futures or stocks and options, there is nothing that can beat a trend trading system. When you decide to take a leap of faith and really learn, and I mean dive into a trend trading system and a trend trading strategy, I'm telling you, man, two things are going to happen. Number one, you'll never ever be able to go back to your candlestick garbage. All right, that's for sure. And number two, you'll start to understand market structure. You'll start to understand the intricacies of how markets actually move and how people can make a lot of money trading and speculating in the market. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.